Visit Tallinn asks us to show you what you can possibly do in the capital city of Estonia. So we took it as a mission with good friends. It doesn't matter if you come here by plane or by ship. First things first, look over the beautiful skyline and just relax.
I got two of these Tallinn cards, so let's explore the city.
Now, once you've settled in with old medieval feels, it's time to reach to the sky for a breathtaking edge walk.
Tallinn TV Tower. Let's go up there.
Feel the freedom within your skin. Just be alive. If you find that you're scared of it, then that is exactly what you should do next.
175 meters.
Siit on okei, aga kui ma alla vaatan, siis on keeruline.
Sit on an edge with a free fall under your feet and test your pal's friendship. Time to head back to the city. On your way back, visit the beautiful art museum in Kadriorg and see around the park. Of course, try to prank your friend and make a wish for good luck.
It's the downtown.
Let's have a coffee, more coffee, and some sunshine. Smash your friend in a ping pong game and ride a bike on a beautiful coastline. Go for a medieval restaurant experience and try delicious fish and exclusive bear meat. Explore the nightlife, have fun, laugh a lot. Sleep a few hours and watch the sunrise.
Tere tulemast zombide maale.
Get ready for a yacht cruise on the Gulf of Tallinn. And if it's still not enough, do something that'll make you feel alive. Yes, take flight on an airplane, ending the day with a beautiful sunset over the old town. Now, once you've done all that, you can finally check Tallinn off from your bucket list and enjoy all the good memories that you've made.